In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and configure associations in HubSpot, providing you with a seamless way to maintain relationships and track data within your HubSpot CRM. Understanding how to navigate through these settings will significantly enhance your ability to utilize HubSpot's capabilities to manage your contacts and their associations effectively. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you are logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is go to the User Guide section. This is a central hub in HubSpot where you can access tutorials, FAQs, and helpful tips to optimize your usage of the platform. You can find this guide by navigating to the upper right corner of your dashboard. There, you'll see an option to access the User Guide, which will provide you with a broader context about HubSpot's features. Having accessed the User Guide, the next step is to locate and click on the Settings icon. This is typically represented by a gear symbol and can generally be found in the navigation bar of your HubSpot interface. Clicking on Settings will take you to an area where you can configure various aspects of your HubSpot environment, tailored specifically to your preference and operational needs. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Objects. The Objects category allows you to manage different entities within your CRM, such as contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. This setup is fundamental because it forms the backbone of how data is organized and related within your system. Once you've clicked on Objects, your next move is to select the Contacts option. The Contacts setting allows you to manage all the personal data, history, and interactions of the individuals in your HubSpot account. Whether you're dealing with leads, customers, or partners, this section plays a key role in keeping your information streamlined and accessible. With the Contacts section open, it's time to focus on associations. Click on Associations, which will help you effectively categorize and link different contacts based on your specific criteria. Associations can help you map out relationships between contacts and other objects, providing you with the context needed to nurture these connections and drive engagement. By using these steps, you'll be able to create and configure associations with ease, making sure that your information is properly networked and easy to access when you need it. Keep in mind that while these settings empower you with extensive organizational capabilities, they also demand your attention to detail, especially in onboarding new data or cleaning up existing records. And that's it. By following these instructions, you've successfully navigated through the process of setting up associations in HubSpot. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your productivity and CRM management moving forward. Make sure to explore each section thoroughly to maximize the potential of your HubSpot experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative guides like this.